Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you open locked folder in Google Photos. So guys, you can just move some of your photos to locked folder in Google Photos. So at first you need to open locked folder. To do that, at first just go to the Google Photos app. Now just click on the bottom last option here, library, and click on the top right option, utilities. Here you can see the first option here is set up locked folder, and here you can see get started option. By clicking it, you can just start your locked folder by giving your phone pattern or phone password and fingerprint. You can hide sensitive photos or videos in this locked folder. You can also try another way to do that. Just select a photo like this, and in this bottom option here just scroll it, and here you can see that the last option here is move to locked folder. By clicking it, it will take you to the locked folder and you can set up it from there. So guys, that's how you can open locked folder in Google Photos. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.